the hype and all the emotion, and you buy something, then you regret it at the end. All right, so that was number 4. Number 5, stop buying stocks that are too expensive. Once again, stop buying stocks that are too expensive. It doesn't make no sense you buying Amazon and you only can buy 1 share. Okay, what do you think is going to happen? You think it's going to double in the next couple of days, where you're going to double and make 4,000? It's not possible. Forget about the nostalgia. Forget about saying I own Amazon. It doesn't matter. If it's not making you money, okay, I don't even think Amazon has a dividend. Okay, so it makes no sense to own these type of companies. Like Tesla, it makes no sense. All you're doing is buying something that is overvalued, too expensive for you to afford, and you're not making that much money off of it, even if it has a dividend. So the name of the game is to buy stocks with dividends or ETFs less than $20. Okay, if you're spending more than $20, you pay too much for that stock. All right, I'm telling you something that is going to value you and allow you to make more money. Okay, stop buying those type of stocks. It makes no sense. It's not going to bring you any money. It's not going to bring you any money. It's not going to bring you any value. And at the end of the year, you only have a few dollars, which you could be making more with the amount of money you invest in the stock market. The problem is a lot of people are just listening to these people on TV or online and think that's doing research. That's not research. That's just following the crowd. And the name of the game is to avoid following the crowd and set your own path. And once you set your own path, you realize that, you know what, I'm making more money now. That's the name of the game. Okay, and then 6, start reading books. Okay, start doing investing with an inkling of some know-how, of some knowledge. Read a book on finance. Read a book on saving money, how to invest. Okay, do your research. Yeah, we know about the 500 on the stock market and all that stuff. I mean, we could talk about charts. I can show you charts of what I invest in, but that really doesn't matter if you don't have a clear understanding of the whole purpose of investing. Okay, the name of the game is not to invest in stocks that are too expensive. The name of the game is invest in stocks that are reasonable, are cheap, and then if they fall, buy more of it. That's the name of the game. When stocks fall, that's when you buy. All right, you do not buy when it's going up, because you're buying stocks that are too expensive. You wait till it falls and you'll save money and you'll make more money. Okay, the name of the game is not follow the crowd. Okay, you don't have to buy Tesla. You don't have to buy Amazon. You don't have to buy Microsoft. All right, there are other ways of buying stocks where you can buy stocks that cover all of those particular companies, and you get it for much cheaper. Okay, no way you should be buying stocks that are too expensive for you. Okay, all right, you want to be able to buy 100 shares, not 1 share. Okay, you can't make no money off of 1 share, especially if it's too expensive for you. You're not going to make money. You're just going to be sitting in your account, okay, making very little money. All right, so read a book on finance. Read a book about how to invest in the stock market, how it really works. Okay, I can put up charts. I can talk about, okay, 4% and how you can get 7% on this. I can talk about that all day. But at the end of the day, the main thing that you really need to be focused on, if you really want to make a profit, if you really want to try to make money and beat the stock market, buy cheap stocks. That's the name of the game. You don't have to buy penny stocks. Okay, that's a losing game. Okay, and you don't have to buy stocks that are too expensive. Buy, like I keep saying, buy stocks that are under $20. Because if it's under $20, that means you can buy more of it. And when you can buy more of it, that means you can make more money. When you buy stocks that are too expensive, that means you barely make anything. Okay, especially if it doesn't have a dividend. So the name of the game, if you're trying to get into the stock market, you're new or you've been investing, the name of the game is to buy cheaper stocks. Stop buying these high-end, high-priced stocks that's not going to make you any money. Stop. That's not going to bring you any money. Okay, that's just you following everybody else, following the crowd, doing what everybody else do, and everybody, you know what happens when you follow everybody else. Okay, you're going to lose. So next time, okay, do these steps, and I guarantee you, if you got $200,000 in the stock market, if you got $10,000, you're going to see a difference if you just follow my steps. All right? When you follow the crowd and follow what the people on TV, CNN, and on Fox tell you to do and what to buy and what to hold, you won't make enough. You won't make as much. But once you start deviating and set your own path and start doing your real research where you don't listen to what they say, but you actually find out what is actually doing well in the stock market, then that's when you'll start making some real money. Like I said, you should not be invested $200,000 in the stock market and only making $7,000 yearly. Okay? You should be making that. If you have $200,000 in the stock market, you should be at least making $20,000 to $30,000 or even more in dividends. Okay? So if you are investing and you have $10,000, and you're only making about $200 a year off of dividends, then I will sell every stock and I will reevaluate and I'll start buying cheaper stocks. If you got $13,000, $15,000 and you're only making $400 each year in dividends, then you need to sell all your stocks, start buying much cheaper, and you'll start seeing a much better difference. I guarantee you. Okay? If you have any comments, any concerns, write your comment at the bottom if you don't agree with me or you agree with me. Okay, if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to make a comment. Make sure to subscribe and bring other people to my channel who really are trying to make a living through investing and make good money through investing. Until then, have a great day. Continue watching if you're a subscriber already, and enjoy and continue watching and the up-to-date updates. Okay, so thank you again. Have a great day.